Oakley Meta Housed and Smart Glasses are here. These are the limited edition warm gray glasses with the Prizm 24K Polarized lenses. You can still pre-order them, although Meta is expected to make additional colors and lens styles available in the coming weeks, so if you don't care for this look, you'll get a few more choices soon. Let's take a look at what's in the box, then we'll get a closer look at how they fit and how they compare to Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. The presentation here is rather nice, and I like how the box slides out and unfolds. Things are looking slick with that charging case on a mini pedestal. The charging case itself is nice and compact with a flip-top mechanism and a nice soft felt interior complete with the Oakley Meta logo. I'm not a huge fan of how snugly these fit in the case, as they seem to be a bit difficult to get out, but we'll see if I don't figure out a better way to do this as I use them. The glasses look super snazzy in this warm gray color with gold Oakley logo on the side, gold outlined camera lenses, and the 24K polarized Prizm lenses look stellar. The frame plastic is surprisingly light and has a good bit of give to it. Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are a lot more rigid by comparison. I assume this was done on purpose since these are supposed to be sportier glasses, but it could have just been done to keep the weight down since these are supposed to have a larger battery. The power switch is on the inner front side of the left temple, and the glasses are powered on as soon as you unfold them when the switch is in the on position. A pair of over-the-ear speakers are found on the temples, and the camera shutter button is on top of the right temple. A touchpad is on the outside of the right temple and can be tapped and swiped on. The charging ports are in the nose bridge and connect to the case this way, and just like Ray-Bans, the nose pieces are made of a semi-soft touch plastic. You'll find a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 microphones on the glasses for ultimate spatial audio recording. Inside the case is the snug charging connector, and I'm quite confident that these will always snap in and charge when needed. It's very snug. The rest of the box contents includes a lovely black microfiber cloth with the Oakley Meta logo etched on, as well as a getting started guide with a description of all the buttons and anatomy of the glasses, plus a safety and warranty booklet. The case itself is a similar size to the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and is slightly deeper but slightly shorter. They have a battery indicator LED up front, a USB charging port on the bottom, and a button below the port. This button can be pressed once to illuminate the LED so you can see how much battery is left in the case. Green is above 75% and amber is below 75%. Red should indicate a totally drained case battery. Long pressing it enters the glasses into pairing mode, and this LED glows blue when that's in the case. Oakley Meta Housed and Smart Glasses very much feel like a relative of Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. They've got identical camera and front LED looks and a similar overall size, although they each obviously share their respective brands' design identities. The camera button is in the same place and feels the same, but each brand makes unique sounds for the photo and video actions. They use the same power switch on the inner left temple, feature identical nose pad and charging pin positions, and even have the same type of over-the-ear speakers in the temples. One of the biggest changes is in the temple style. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses have longer, curved temple tips, while the Oakleys have that trademark Oakley thin, straight point. Because of the design, the Oakleys feel lighter on my face even though they register at 3 grams heavier according to my scale. I'm really looking forward to seeing how the battery life is because, based on estimates from Meta, the Oakleys are supposed to last twice as long as the Ray-Bans, which equates to about 8 hours. The fit of the Oakleys feels more comfortable to me, while the Ray-Bans hug my face very tightly and can sometimes be a little uncomfortable. If I whip my head around, shake it up and down, or even lean forward while shaking, neither wobbles to any noticeable degree. The Oakley's looser fit makes me wonder how well they'll do during running though, which I will be testing over the next few days. Overall, positive first impressions here and a solid alternative option to the Ray-Ban style.